Hi. So namhlanje ngizoyenza nje just the daily trade review. So today bekuyi-non-news day, so bengi-trader um TJR model as part of the adaptive trinity strategy lese ngisiyenzile based off other strategies. So ngamanye news non-news day trader i-TJR model. So based on that, usually in TJR model ngibheka i-daily time frame, then 4 hour, then 1 hour, then 15 minute, then 5 minute, then 1 minute for the entry. So today, good daily price action be bearish, making a bearish candle closer from the previous day. So bengifuna ama-sales angithi so ngaya ku-4 hour if i-price action izonginikeza lama signal ukuthi okay price izoya to the downside ngafika laphaya, but price action for the most day was bullish from London session right through to NY AM session. So usually vele ngama TJR days are more flexible with the time between those sessions, right? Looking for those trades, but today bengibheke just London session ne NYAM session, right? So for that time, vele price action was very bullish on the 4 hour. So angikhonanga ngisho nokuya ku 1 hour or ku 15 minutes or ku 5 minutes and then 1 minute for the entry. So today was one of those days where ngikhone ukureada a chart kahle, price action kahle to avoid taking a bad trade, because usually I think the best way is to take a trade based off a higher time frame, and the higher time frame le mina engibhekile most of the time is the daily time frame, right? So everything has to align with that ukuthi ngiyenze ngikhona ukuthatha trade ku entry chart, which is the 1 minute. So yeah, today uh avoided e-loss. So yeah, that's it for today. Ngiyabonga mothatha ukubuka le video, uthatha isikhathi ukubuka le video. Thank you very much and sharp.